Hello, I'm Benno H from the Mountain of Switzerland, and I want to show you my Coollab nude what I have done by myself for you and everyone they are interested for. It called MERKABA, and this is a sign which people knows in the esoteric way of MERKABA, but I'm not so esoteric guy, and I just like the 3D shape of that. So I built it by Cloud RE, and I want to show you here right now the options of that in detail, very in short. So I hope. So we are here in Arena that I can show you that by a well done start of, and we change us to Coollab itself to show you the details of that. And for normal, these are not animated, so I kill this animation and we starting like that. And here we are in the options section. If you toggle that shade 3D shape nude, then you see the options of that. At the first you see the size where you can change the whole object, and this whole object is built by two pyramids. You can see that very easy like that. I show you a little bit by rotating in the 3D cam. So you can see these are two pyramids. One pyramid on this side and another pyramid we have on the other side. I must go here a bit so you can see this is another pyramid. So I'm going back to the default setting and must change again, I believe so, a bit the cam views. Okay, so it looks not so bad. So here you can also see these two pyramids inside of that. So I hope so we can work here. Here is one pyramid, and the other pyramid I must shift in a bit down that you can see that very optimized is here. And they are shift together in the J axis. So you can see here. And back to the default. You have this presets in the nude if you downloaded that. And now first you have a size where you can take the bigness of this whole 3D shape of this whole 3D object, and this was just by the cam, and you can rotate it in each axis. This was the x-axis, the whole object. You can rotate it. In the j-axis we can rotate it, and in the z-axis. So we can change the thickness of the edging of these edge elements. Is like the wireframe of the each pyramids, because, and then very special is that you can rotate the second pyramid for itself on each axis, the x-axis, the j-axis, and for last we find here also the z-axis. And then you have also this shifting element where you can the interaction, the corporate of these two pyramids definite. And this is very funny when you animate that stuff. So I show you for first an easy animation like what you can see everywhere for normal. And so we are here in an easy animation. And now what we do is also we change the thickness of that element. So then we came to something like a bit wobble or something like that. You can see effects like that. I build it out here. So you can see that here very good, what I have done here. These are 2 times these nodes, and I shifted that middle point, and here I shifted the middle point, but I don't animate it, and so you can see you get a really other object. But this is only one, only this one node here. But you can make very strange objects, like something like that. We build it out of it like a thing like that. And now maybe the 3D camera must change a bit. So this is built by Wave, also a 3D Wave. I do that nude for myself, and you can download it also in my repository, in my nude repository for Coollab. So that's in most what I want to show you here for short, and I hope you looking inside of the other clip. There is much longer and shows all the different examples what is inside of this project here, of this project, what is shows also all the presets what I built it, and some things for the ending we do here. Then you have an end view for that show here. So, and now we can go back to Arena and this. So, I hope you was like that, and hope you use that MERKABA 3D shape nude for Coollab and have fun. Bye bye.